ladies, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to compare the two variations of the full December 2018 Boxyluxe. Before we get into that, I want to remind everyone about my giveaway going on this month. It ends on Sunday, December 25th. I will link the video below and up above. The two prizes in the giveaway are the Tarte Sweet Escape Collector Set and the NYX 24 Days of Beauty. So first of all, I want to get into the two box variations that Boxycharm showed us last Thursday, thinking these were going to be the two variations. The first box had the Spongella Body Wash Infused Buffer in Blossom Bliss for $20, the Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream for $89, the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, the Sueva Protege Palette, the Violet Voss Holy Grail Pro Eyeshadow Palette, the Grande Mascara, one of the Tarte Tarteist Lippies, the Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn Eye and Cheek Palette, and by Crimes of Beauty, the Glam AF Cosmetics Wristlet, which includes a universal charger hookup. In the second box variation that Boxycharm showed us, all that was different was, instead of the Sueva Beauty Protege Palette, we had the PYT Mini Hair Straightener. So on Friday, when everyone's seen this, everyone was like, it's missing something. And I got several questions asking me, where's the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder? Well, on Friday, Joe came out and said that there would be another variation. You would either get the Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn Eye and Cheek Palette or the Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. So that will be another variation to the palette. The second group of variations is the mascara. We have three different variations of mascara. The first option is Grande Mascara for $26. It gives you a faux lash look with your own lashes. It's a natural based mascara, and over time it gives you a healthier lashes. The second one is by Lorac. It's the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade for $24. This mascara is smudge proof, flake proof. It's a professional formula that is lightweight. It's designed to add thickness, shine, curl, and length. It's got a custom curved applicator brush designed to grab and separate each lash from root to tip, from corner to corner, and it's a jet black color. The last option is from Lorac also, and it's the Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. Both of these Lorac mascaras were out of stock at Ulta. Just wanted to mention. This Royal Treatment has a primer that comes in a cool blue shade instead of white to give lashes a blue-black dramatic finish. It helps eyes appear wider and brighter. The primer wand is flexible and has bendable bristles to touch every lash. This deep black mascara gives a Hollywood luscious look. So those are your three options of mascara. As you can see, with all these variations, you can have so many different variations of the box, and I'm not finished. We have one more variation to talk about, and it's the Tarteist lipstick. It has three variations. These are shades that have never been released before. They're going to be released with Boxycharm, and it's a glossy lip paint, and it's going to come in three shades. The first shade is Insta Famous, then we have Flaming Hot, and the third one is Strike Gold. So this box is going to have a lot of variations. And let me just say why I don't like variations. For instance, we have a choice between the Pretty Vulgar Powder or the Wander Beauty Eye and Cheek Palette. They're worth, the Pretty Vulgar's worth like $32 and the Wander Beauty's worth $26. They're pretty close, within a few dollars. But first of all, we get so many palettes. I'm thinking a lot of people want the powder because we get a lot of palettes. Not saying I don't want another palette, but that's just how I'm feeling. How do we know if it's equal, the products? For instance, in the total amount of products he puts in the boxes, is it 50% of them going to get Wander Beauty and 50% going to get the powder? Or is it something like 80% going to get Wander Beauty and 20% going to get the powder? You just don't know. To me, that's just a hard variation to like and be okay about. Now, as far as the mascaras, the Lorac mascara sell for $24. The One Grande mascara sells for $26. I don't have any of these. Any one would be a great one to try. They're all kind of different, and they all kind of cost the same. Then if you look at the lippies, it doesn't matter. We're all getting a lippy. It's just a different color. If all three colors are nice colors, it shouldn't matter. But that first variation is the hardest to swallow. That's why I'm not a fan of getting all these variations. I hope it gets better where we don't get all these variations, or we get a choice like we did with the palette and the flat iron. So that's just my view on variations. How do you feel about variations? Put it at the bottom. I'm just curious to see if I'm the only person that feels this way. I just want to be honest with you on how I feel about the Luxe Box and how I feel about these variations. And this is all I have to say about the Luxe Box this time. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving Day. And I hope you spend it with your families and you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.